Having a reliable parking brake assembly is important, especially if you're parking on hills. This is definitely a component you'll want to make sure to have in your car. Hey, I'm Dennis and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1970 to 72 Chevelle, El Camino, and Monte Carlo parking brake assemblies. This is an exact duplicate of the original parking brake assembly. The originals wear out after years of continuous use, so they need to be replaced with this correct reproduction with all the same ratcheting mechanisms as the factory part. Our complete assembly includes the handle, release rod, pedal assembly, and the rubber pedal pad. Operating our assembly will feel just like it did coming off the showroom floor. Components are manufactured from a sturdy steel to ensure confidence when used. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com.
Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.